Hey guys, it's Eric aka Azraeleterni here from Lumbridge.net, here with today's Runescape math episode called Smith My Balls. Today we're going to be talking about smithing and how to efficiently level without spending any money, because that's the goal of Runescape math. What this session is going to actually have some requirements. You're going to need to have completed the Dwarf Cannon quest, as well as so that you can smith cannonballs, as well as completing the Family Crest quest in order to get goldsmithing gauntlets. If you got any of the other gauntlets, you can go ahead and talk to that son in Al-Kharid to have him change your gloves to goldsmithing gloves for 25,000 gold. So that's how you do that. We have a fairly big equation, and we're going to be doing multiple variables. Whereas in the last episode we were solving for one variable, there's two variables in this equation. It goes S minus 4 times C, and that's all in there, times X, minus, this is O minus B times Y, equals 0. So what this equation means, we're solving for steel bars, cannonballs, ores, and bars. So S, we're going to define our variables, O, B. You know, if I was really smart, I would have figured out something that this spells. So if you feel free to spell something in the comments as to what you can do with these 3 letters, or 4 letters. S stands for steel bars, price of steel bars. C stands for cannonballs. Can you see where this is going yet? O is gold ores, and B is gold bars. X and Y are our variables. So you can either solve for X or solve for Y, and we give an input value for the other. If you want to give an input value for X, you want to find that you're trying to find out how many gold bars you can smelt using the profits from making cannonballs. If you want to put an input for Y, for gold ores to bars, you're figuring out how many cannonballs you have to make in order to be able to smelt that many bars. For the purpose of this video, we're going to have an input for X and solve for Y. So we're going to use actual values that I pulled off of the Grand Exchange today. So we're going to do this as 630 for the steel bar minus 4 times 188. I'm running out of disk space apparently. Times X. And we missed a parentheses. Shame on me. Looking over at my cheat sheet, 460 minus 185 times Y. And again, we're using absolute value brackets so that none of our integers are negative, because we're obviously not going to have anything negative. And then we're also using parentheses to show that certain things need to be solved in a certain order. Because a lot of the times we're going to have a decimal, it's not going to always equal exactly 0, so it's going to be about 0. So we're going to go ahead and start solving this. 630 minus, what is that? 752 times X, absolute value, is 273 times Y. Is about 0. This is negative 122. And this, we're going to insert our variable. We're going to say we're going to do 1,000 steel bars worth of cannonballs. So we're going to have define X as 1,000 minus 273Y is about 0. So that's 122,000 minus 273y is about 0. Okay. We're going to give ourselves some more room. Get rid of that upper part. 122,000 minus 273y is about 0. So we're doing, because we're solving for y, we need it on the opposite side of the equation. So we're going to do 273y to both, add 273y to both sides. This cancels out our negative 273y from the minus. So now we have 122,000 is about, for this thing we'll set to say equal, 273y. Divide by 273, cancels out the 273. So y is going to be about, is equal to 446.886. So y is about 446. We always round down if it's not a whole number, because otherwise you'll lose money from it. So we're going to actually gain a tiny little fraction of money from doing this. So that's how the equation works. If we did 1,000 steel bars and made them into cannonballs, from the profit from that, we could smelt 446 gold ores into gold bars without losing any of the original money that we had started with. So that's it, guys. I hope I did a good job of this one. If you guys have any suggestions on videos that I should do, feel free to send me a mail. Either send a comment down below or send me a private message on YouTube. Those are the two best ways to reach me, because I don't check my mail almost ever. But I check YouTube daily. I check YouTube almost every hour to see if I have new comments. So I appreciate those that commented already on the first Runescape math episode. So thank you guys for doing that. That's the whole reason I'm doing this one right now. So big thanks. I'm glad to hear that this is something that you guys want to watch. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe to us. And also follow us on Twitter at www.twitter.com/lumbridgenet. And I post on there pretty regularly. I don't post on there as much as I used to, but I'm going to start changing that, because now I'm trying to do more videos than I did before. I'd like to apologize also, we still haven't done a video for Tale of the Moospa. I'm going to hijack Chris's account and steal OMFG from him in order to do the quest and video it. So hopefully everything will go alright. It's still probably going to be about a week away. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Take it easy. If you have any suggestions on skills that you'd like me to talk about, or any certain methods and skills that I've already talked about. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. Let me know what you want me to do. Yeah, I'm pretty much talking now. So feel free to just go ahead and, write your comment while I'm doing this. Squeaky squeaky.